येता भायर एअरपोर्टाचेर आसा कावंटर नर्सन आसा येता धांगड्यान येता हां एअरपोर्टाचेर आसा
सर हेंगाच
Honorable Transport Minister Sri Maureen Gudinoji and the Airport Director Mr. Dhananjay Raoji. So today is a great moment for us as a relaunch of the Goa Mile application. And as Sir has explained very well about that, in future we are going to sustain and continue this our taxi application service in aggregated mode to the all passengers of the Goan, tourists coming to the Goan and the local people of the Goa. So we are committed to serve the Goan people over here and the tourists coming to Goa in a long run. And that's what great support we are expecting from all the dignitaries and authorities going forward also. So there will be support extended from the airport authority in a long run. Since we will be having the counter number 32 in a long run, we will require their support. Thank you sir so much.
उत्कर्ष जी
operating from the airport. I know what was, I met them this morning again, I am meeting them again and again. They get convinced, they say we are fully with you, then somebody misguides, they move away. The press people, some of my brothers have seen them themselves. They say, who is misguiding them? Why are they changing their mind? I simply want to say one thing. I have not gone back on any promise given to them. They wanted one counter this side, I have given them. 32 is going to be the counter, going to be given to Goa Miles. Right now they are in 31, that is a temporary thing, maybe for a week. And then as was the allocation decided with them, it will be done. They also want on the other side 26 because they say they had two counters. We are going to give it, so where is the difficulty? They seem to have no faith in anyone. I don't know why that is happening. आमी हिंगा आसा गोंयकारांची इंटरेस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमकां नाका जे ऑपरेट जाताले तांकां काबार करून दुसरे हाडपाक पूण जेन्ना आयचो दीस मागता आयच्या काळार सगळे कडेन ॲप ऑपरेटेड सर्विसीस जाता टॅक्सीन कितें आसपाचें न्हू तांकां कितें डिफिकल्टी आसा समस्या आसा आमकां सांगा इनफॅक्ट म्हाका उत्कर्ष दबालेन सांगला इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टायम एज एवरीथिंग पिक्स अप even 100 out of those taxis will be converted into electrical vehicles at no extra cost to the same taxi people operating at the airport. स्वता तुमकां सांगला ते आमी उतराचे पालन करतले पूण तुमी मातशें समजून घ्या गोंयांत तरी टुरिजम उरतले दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट तरी उरतलो तुमी आमचे मातशें विश्वास धरून आमचे आयकचें पडटलें बेश्टें सांगलें ना आमी अशें एग्री जाता आनी मागीर दुसरेच वचून भायर केलें तुमची मदत जावपाना तुम्ही वयल्यान आपलेच पायार फातर मारतले अशें करनाका माझी एक कटकटीत विनंती गोवा माइल्स एट एनी कॉस्ट हॅज कम टू स्टे हे तुम्ही समजून घ्या दुसरी हेजावन तुम्ही सांगतले तुमची हे पडटा हाडा तुमची हे अवश्य हाडा तुमची हे पडल्यार आमी सपोर्ट करता तुमकां वयल्यान हांवें तांकां सांगलां केन्नासून सांगता 1 वर्स जालें 1.5 वर्स जालें 2 वर्स जालें हांव सांगत आसा आनी कोण टॅक्सीवाले तुमी हे पाडटा हाडा आज पासून कोणा कडेन हाडून जावना हांगाय हे फंक्शन कॉमर्स आसलें म्हणे हांव समजता बेश्टेच एक पोल्युशन कशें जालें अशें दाखयलें की आमी हे पाडपाक सोदता आमकां दिना आरे बाबा कॅपॅसिटी आसपा जाय बेश्टेच उलयलें म्हूण जायना तेका लागून हांव परत एकदां एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया तांकांय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमकां ही ॲप हांगा बसोवपाक दिली हाडपाक दिली आमचो उत्कर्ष दबाले अल्टिमेटली यू हॅव मेड इट अ रियलिटी सो हे देरफोर इट इज बट एप्रोप्रिएट that we have Goa Miles which survived even the bad times since its being in Goa, since the time it came into Goa. Thereafter it has come to stay. They have proven their worth. Many people have been missing them and I am sure very shortly they will capture the hearts of Goans, the travelling public. More than a few people who create more noise than anything else other than the merits of the case. I am bothered about the people of Goa. I want to see that as the best transportation that is available elsewhere in the country, available elsewhere in the world should become a true reality in Goa. That's the reason why Goa Miles is becoming a reality today. आणि हांव समजता पुलिसूय हांगा तांकां सांगपाक सोदता माझ्या आरटीओ आहा तांकांय सांगपाक सोदता हे हायजॅकर्स पळय आसा इलिगली भायर चलयता तांकां मातशें बंद करात, सारकें बंद जावपा जाय. आनी तें बंद जाल्यारूच तेन्ना कोणाचे बिझनस एअरपोर्टाचे ऑपरेट जाता तेंचे वचपाना आनी कन्फ्युजनूय जावपाना. कन्फ्युजन म्हणजे पॅसेंजर देंवता तेन्ना हातीन एकटो ओडटा, दुसऱ्या हाती दुसरो ओडटा, अशें जावपा जायना. सो 100 मिटर्स, 200 मिटर्स, 300 मिटर्स लोकां ट्रॉली घेवन तेंची बॅगां घेवन चलोन व्हरता हे हायजॅकर आहा ते, आनी आमी ते पळयता. हें जावपाक बिलकूल जायना. ताका लागून परत एक